Hello children. In the last class we saw about the railways. So now we'll be talking about one more mean of transport, that is the waterways. Okay. Waterway is a body of water which is deep and wide enough for boats and ships to travel through. Seas, rivers, canals and backwaters are the waterways. It tells that the transportation done through water means is the waterway. It is broad and wide so that big ships and boats can pass through it. Which are the examples of waterways? These are the seas, big rivers, canals, and backwaters of the sea. These are the waterways, children. A waterway is another means of transporting people and goods. Cargo ship stops at ports where the loading and the unloading of cargo takes place. Mumbai is an important port and a natural harbour. Chennai, Kandla, Kolkata, and Marmagova are some other important ports in India. Okay, what is the use of waterways? Why do we like railways? Waterways is also useful to us. Why? Because it not only carries people but it also carries goods, just like goods train and passenger trains. Ships and boats are also there to transport people and goods from one place to another. These are called the cargo ships. These cargos are nothing but the goods, children. Goods are called as cargo. Cargo ship stops at ports where loading and unloading of the cargo is done, of the goods is done in particular place. Example, Chennai, Marmagova, Kolkata, all these are the examples of the ports where loading and unloading of people and goods is done. Okay, some ships carry only cargo or goods. Here cargo means goods. These are called the cargo ships, but trains which carry only goods are called the goods trains. Okay, these are the trains are called which carry goods are the goods train. Ships that carry the goods are called the cargo ships. Okay, a ferry carries passengers and goods for short distances. If you go to Goa and all, you will see it is called as ferry from one side of the river to the other side of the river, or one side of the sea to other side of the sea. Small boats carries, no small boats are there, or ships with bigger size ships that carry from people one side to other is called as ferry, that is for short distances. Some people go on expensive holiday or luxury liners or cruise ships. These are huge ships and they have dock from one tourist destination to another. Okay, if we go for long distance journeys, those are the cruise ships. Like for long journey on the land, we go is either through train or through bus. In the same way, even these ships go to even outside the country also. These cruise ships or the luxury liners go. Okay, they carry the tourists from one place to another through the docks are nothing but where ships and boats come and stop. Okay, now coming to the next mean is the airways. We studied about the railways which is on land. We studied about the waterways. Now we'll be studying about the airways. Okay, what is an airway? A designated route along which airplanes fly from one airport to another. There is an, just like the road routes, road lines or the road mappings, in the same way even there is a route, particular route by which a bus, or sorry, the air bus or the aeroplanes fly. That route is called as the airways. The airway has come. Find the other term for airway. The other term for airway is also called as the airlines. Okay, children, all major cities in India are connected by air. Okay, from Delhi to Mumbai we have airlines. From Mumbai to Goa we have airlines. From Hubli to Bangalore also we have. That means local, within national and international. Local in the sense nearby places. For example, short distances. From Belgaum to Bangalore we have the internal aeroplane system, and for national also we have, and we also have for international level airways. Airways is also used in the names of some airlines. For example, the Kingfisher Airlines. We have so many companies running. Okay, those all are called. Indigo is there. There are so many a number of companies that run private airlines. Apart from passengers, aeroplanes and helicopters also carry light goods and mails as cargo. Okay, now even in airways also, through aeroplanes and helicopters, goods and people are also carried. It is also a mean of transport. Okay, during relief operations in floods, earthquakes and wars, these are used as airdrop food, warm clothes and medicines, etc. to affected people. Children, wherever we see all this natural disasters or national calamities, for example earthquake, floods and all that time, there is water everywhere. There we cannot move. For example, if there is a landslide, that time also we cannot move. That time what happens? The aeroplanes come and support, give help to the people who are in need by giving the warm clothes, food, whatever those people inside who cannot come out of that area, but they need some help. That time these helicopters act in a very important way. Helicopters fly for short distances and carry only few people at a time. Yes or no? Unlike aeroplanes, helicopters, this is an aeroplane here and this is an helicopter. The sitting capacity of passengers is more in aeroplane than being in a helicopter. Okay, helicopters fly for short distance. As helicopters take off and land vertically and hover in the air for extended period of time, it is extremely useful and relief and rescue. Helicopters can stand in one place or hover, they can roam in one place for long time, that which is really useful at times of emergencies. Okay, then this I'll be sending you, but anyways we'll do that. Airport is the fastest or slowest mean of transport. Just write these answers in the textbook only. Don't sit writing in your fair books, children. Okay, airport is the fastest mean of transport. Aeroplanes take off land at take off and take and land at airports or railway stations. It is airports. Helicopters land and take off from car garages or helipads. Helicopters is always the helipads. If we have to travel to another country, we will use domestic or international airline. We use an international airline. The number of people traveling by air have increased over the years. Correct? Nowadays, lot of our people are moving to other countries through airways. Newer and better airports are being made in our country. Intercontinental planes are huge and seats are more spacious for comfort. International and intercontinental, we can call it as. There also big, huge aeroplanes are made with better facilities, seating arrangements, and what all is needed for that long journey. All that is being done by many of our Indian airports. Okay, hope you understood this part, children. Can we go to the next part? Now this is again an important aspect. This is called as communication. What is communication? Children, communication is nothing but talking and knowing different people within short period of time. Okay, now I am communicating with you all, so this is called communication. Okay, the world is indeed a huge place, but technology has shrunk the distances. Children, the sentence, this is very beautiful part, just please concentrate. World is very big, no? World is very big, but with the help of new technology, we have made earth very small by connecting with one another. For example, we have the world wide web is interconnected by the intricate web. Now if I ask you what is www, you should be able to tell it is World Wide Web. Okay, this question may come for your exam. www means what? You should say www means World Wide Web. The internet is a new age means of communicate. The internet is a new age means of communication that is instant and enables people to connect across continent. It is an international network of computers. What is internet? It is an international network of communication which helps people in communicating or talking from different places of the country, from different continents of the country. Okay, example, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail are some of the emails. Okay, like we have our school email as bhartesh.com or something like that. These are the important email sites where we send mails to one another. Now, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp are examples of what? Social media. Children, this is very important. This may again come for example. Please, exam, just concentrate. Now if you come, you know what is Facebook, Twitter, your parents will be using, and you all are using WhatsApp groups. See, these all are the social media groups where we post photographs and reach our families and friends almost instantly is nothing but quickly. We can communicate with large group of people at some same time. See children, this example is that WhatsApp, see, it is not only for sending photographs and mails. Now because of this pandemic we are not able to conduct class, but WhatsApp has really made classes happen for children like you. You are at home, I am at my home, we go to school sometimes, but WhatsApp is the one thing which is connecting us daily. So that is the social media. Okay, we communicate with large group of people. Say, so no, I alone can talk with all of you sitting at my home. That is instantly talking with big groups. The RMS Titanic is one of the most famous ship in recent history. Find out why. Just check out. You will come to know if you just search in the internet. You will get what is meaning of RMS Titanic and what is its story. Okay, hope this part is understood by you all children, and if you have any doubts regarding this part, please come back to me and clarify your doubts, and this lesson is going to be included in your exam also. So kindly study and complete all the notes. Thank you.